Hello guys, Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today, you guessed it, we have another Huawei smartphone. This is the Huawei Y9 Prime from 2019. This is the 2019 model that requires a screen replacement, and as you can see here, even the tempered glass was broken and the back portion of it looks okay. So first up, we have to remove the back cover of this device. As usual, it is held on by adhesives on the sides of the panel. We're gonna be careful here because there's a connecting cable for the fingerprint scanner at the back, as you can see there. It's fairly thin for a fingerprint scanner cable, but yep, that's how Huawei designs their devices, or the mid-tier devices. So we're gonna remove this one. It's fairly easy, as you can see so far. It's fairly straightforward, and we're gonna remove the connectors for the battery on the right side and the old screen connector for the flat cable here, flat cable or flex cable, and we're gonna try to see if it charges or it even turns on. And David had a very difficult time assessing if it works or not. The battery is just too drained because it has not been charged or used for a very long time. But once it gets a few minutes of charging, it turns on and it holds on to that charge. And we can show you the locking pattern from the client. We asked him to unlock it for us, and then we're gonna go ahead and disassemble the device to replace the screen. So here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, you don't need to give us the PIN or the password for your device if you just want us to replace it and make sure that it's responsive to the touch and you want to perform your own touch tests for the new screen. That's okay, but as much as possible we want you to give us or unlock it for us so that we can test it, including the camera and the buttons, if it's all working, just for your own security and warranty. So we're just test fitting the new screen here. We removed the battery and the motherboard and everything at the back because the flex cable and the connector of the new display is right underneath the battery. So you can just cut it or yank it out, because when you install the new screen, you'll have to put it this way, even below the plastic protector for the battery. And as you can see there, that's how it's done. There's a daughter board at the bottom with its own flex cable. And then we're gonna reassemble it all. Very straightforward, no problem so far. So if you have a Huawei device that you want to repair, or you want to revive an old iPhone, or you just bought something, an iPhone 10, an iPhone 11 that you immediately broke the screen and you don't want to spend a lot of money because you don't have the warranty from Apple or Samsung, just go to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we can replace it for you. We also do smartwatches or gaming smartphones like the ROG from Asus. And right here, we can see that it's working. And we can't see the wallpaper of the client, sorry, but trust me, it works. So this rubber band right here is just for curing the adhesives for the back and the front. And then we'll just let it sit for a few minutes, and when the glue dries, it's ready to be delivered to the client. So thanks for joining us, guys. If you like this kind of video, you can like and subscribe to our Sydney CBD Repair Center YouTube channel, or follow us on Facebook. You can message us on Facebook or visit our website, Sydney CBD Repair Center. We're just gonna wipe it. And then we're done. It looks brand new. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers!